And that's, again, that's what we're gonna lose if we cut this thing down, is it'll be
Yeah.
this kind of angle.
Yeah. I don't know how much angle that'll matter since we're so far
Okay,
away.
that's, man, if that's the case, we could cut it down pretty short.
Yeah, then it won't be oscillating as much. But then it's really got to come up because that thing. Oh.
Well, yeah.
I should put a rubber band this way too, so it can slide out.
Can't have too many rubber bands, I think.
I think you need to be way back, like at least that.
Okay.
And the turns, of course, you'll lose it. You'll keep looking back like this.
There's that straightaway,
Yeah.
which would be great.
Yeah.
But at H3P, I mean,
Yeah, there may be limited opportunities there.
you can go